These are the new Quattro by Nacho. I am actually really excited to show you this. I haven't seen too many unboxing videos, so figured I'd be the first. I did get the combo in white, so it's the three LEDs, which are going to be flood, and then three spots. And there's also a daytime running light, which is, I think, lights up the whole housing. There's also some covers, figure that out. They also have an SAE version, which I'm stoked about. They have amber and white for that. Rundown on what is included and how the packaging is presented and how the company shows itself. So quality, performance, passion, sweet. The guy that owns this company, he worked for Rigid and decided to make his own company, so pretty sweet. Here is the product facts for these specific lights for the combo if you do choose to go with those. I think they're pretty popular for this application, and I think it's one of their best sellers, if not their TM5s, which are the 5-inch lights that they have tested on KOH. So let's just jump right into it. I do like their packaging. Looks super sweet. They actually did a really good job. Here are some brackets. Amber covers, smoke covers, and yeah, bolts. Really nice packaging. I like that. Wiring is nice. Nice rubbering coating. The wires do look like they are tinned with solder, so they're good to go for your wiring application. There is a black for a main ground for all of your wires. The blue is going to be for your spots if you go with this model. The green, I think, is for your daytime running lights, and the white is for your floods. Covers go snap into here. Pretty easy to change out your lenses if you ever need to. They're sweet though. They do sell a flush mount kit as well. If you take these 4 screws out, this whole casing splits in half, and you basically get with a round Wiccan light. I doubt the covers will work with that because you need the housing. Just keep that in mind. Yeah, super sweet. I'll get some shots for you guys. You guys want to see the amber ones in here? I don't think they matter, but it looks like the Nacho branding is up top. So I'll put it in. That looks good. I like that. I'll take these apart, but the company, if you look up on their Instagram or Facebook, or even YouTube, I think, they show you how they build these things. Oh, there goes my first scratch. Oh, these are sweet. It's not just lights, there's a computer in there. Sweet. I'll get some performance shots here. So this is gonna be my mounting preference. This is actually an extra bumper I had. I cut it out just so I can test fit. This isn't really fog light. I'm gonna be using it as an off-road light. Spots, floods. They do sell an SAE approved version. And there's also a amber one, which is really nice for those snowy and foggy conditions. Profile is really nice. I can push it back a little bit further, but I think It sticks out just past the bumper. Bumper turns a little that way. Fog lights are going to be straight. The reason why I didn't push it in too far and wanted it to keep it somewhat flush is to be able to change out the covers, whether I want it to be white, smoked edition with their logo, or the amber cover. So further testing to be required.